Southwest 4887, turn left heading 360 and descend to maintain 5,100.
Turn 360, descend maintain 5,100, Southwest 4887.
Southwest 4887, once you're established on that heading, traffic will be 12 o'clock, 4 miles northwestbound, Embraer 175, you're on visual to 30 left. Report your time.
We'll be looking along Southwest 4887.
Southwest 4887, turn left heading 340 to join final, follow traffic, clear visual for runway 30 left.
Going to the 30 left, cleared visual, 30 left behind us, traffic, Southwest 4887.
Southwest 4887, speed your discretion to follow the Embraer and contact San Jose Tower 124.0.
Speed our discretion in 24.0, good day, Southwest 4887. Tower, hello, Southwest 4887, 30 left island.
Southwest 4887, San Jose Tower, stage 170, knots, until 5 mile final, runway 30 left, clear to land.
Clear land 30 left, 179, still 5 mile final, Southwest 4887.
Southwest 4887, still showing a 15-hour overtake over traffic, 3.5 mile final. Can you accept 30 right?
Yes, we can accept 30 right, Southwest 4887.
Southwest 4887, change to runway 30 right, runway 30 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 30 right, Southwest 4887.
Southwest 4887, turn right Juliet, right Yankee, contact ground for shakeout.
Juliet Yankee and ground, Southwest 4887, have a good day.
You did.
Ground Southwest 4887, turn on the Yankee for gate 20.
Southwest 4887, south of the ground, 6 Park to Yankee Hotel.
Yankee Hotel Park, Southwest 4887.
On behalf of this flight crew, Southwest Airlines, welcome to San Jose. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, your seat back tray table suitable, upright and lock position, and carry-on items completely under that seat in front of you. When the passengers off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening overhead bins. Items may not shift under the brake and can fall out. You may now use the cellular functions of your small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated and keep your carry-on stowed. Please be advised that the aircraft doors will be open for ground servicing. For your safety, please ensure that you and any children you are supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. If you're connecting here to another Southwest flight, please check those monitors in the terminal for your flight and gate number. We have certainly enjoyed sharing part of our day with you. We know you have choices when it comes to flying, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Once again, welcome to San Jose. You guys enjoy the rest of your day.